Everyone is hearing me? So depression means what we can say. Usually nowadays people use the term depression for all common things. For whatever small issues happen in the life, people say, I am depressed, I am dull today, my mood is off, like this. But in everyday life, how long we will stay in the depressed mood or sad mood? Maybe half an hour or 1 hour, half a day, or sometimes maybe due to some incidents or some conflicts, it may continue for 1 or 2 days or more, maybe. Or even then, can we call it as depression? No, it is not depression. Life ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಟ್ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದಿನ 2 ದಿನ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಎ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್. State of being in sadness for more than 1 week or 2 weeks, then that person can be prone to depression. We can say he or she is prone to depression. Otherwise, it is not depression. Just a sadness comes and goes in your life. Here also, again, depression means the person is not doing his routine regularly, is not capable of taking care of himself, sleeping or eating properly, then it is called as depression. Variations and all, those are not depression. It's just common in life. But this depression, which continues for more than 2 weeks, needs some attention from other family members or friends or by himself or herself itself. They have to take care of them. But actually, how we can find out that one is in depression? If I am into depression, how I can find out? Or if one of my family member is into depression, how to find out them? By touching the forehead or body, you will say, yeah, you have high fever or moderate fever, we can say. But regarding depression, how to say in what range he is or she is suffering from? There is no thermometer, but some other symptoms or some behavior changes we can observe. And these changes lasting for more than 2 weeks, then we can say the person is having seriously into depression. Actually, in the world, especially in our India also, more than 30% of the population suffers from depression at any given point of time. ಯಾವುದೇ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾವು ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ 30% ಆಫ್ ದ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. People don't know that they are having depression. That is the problem. But when we have the awareness that we have depression, then we can go for counseling or psychotherapy or treatment and cure it and live a happy life. But identifying itself is difficult. Physical pain, ಈಗ ಫೀವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನೇ ಒಂದು ನೋವಾದ್ರೂ, ಏಟಾದ್ರೆ ಗಾಯ ಆದ್ರೆ, any hurts, it's seen, bleeding is seen, or it has become reddish, or it has become yellowish. Some difference is seen over the skin, and we can identify it is hurt there, and it needs some attention, treatment, everything. But in depression, it is only from behavior or attitude of the person we have to measure how it is, how he is going on. Here, one thing, any physical pains suffered by a person continuously for long time, then it may be the symptom of depression. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ನೋವು, ಪೇನ್ ತಿಂಗಳಾನುಗಟ್ಟಲೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, then definitely the cause behind the pain is this one. It is not the actual physical pain. It can't be cured by the treatment for physical pain. It needs treatment especially for this depression. Andre the brain neurotransmitters are connected to each other. For the physical pain or for the emotional pain, both are governed by same neurotransmitters. These neurotransmitters are owned by the brain. Same part of the brain controls both the transmitters. So whatever the pain the person is feeling, the physical may be converted into emotional pain. So kai gaya aitu, hurt aitu antandre, the person will cry, tears will come down along with the bleeding. Hagene any mental strain or emotional pain, that is also expressed in a form of physical pains. Example, headache, digestive problems, backache, all these kinds of silly pains and aches. Not silly, actually the person who is suffering suffers a lot. The reason is the emotional or mental pain which is suppressed there. In these conditions, the person need not the painkillers, not any vitamins or any other things. Person needs psychiatric help, counseling or psychotherapy, or even psychiatric medicine help. So how to identify is the big question now. How to identify the depression. I will share my screen. Let us see. Hope my screen is visible for all of you. How to identify? Maybe the person has lost interest in any of his usual activities. He or she, whoever it may be, daily routine alli interest illa. Even from bathing, brushing, doing any of his routine work, he is not interested. He is dull. Or sometimes the person doing his routine, but he or she feels unexplained fatigue, continuous fatigue, ಸುಸ್ತಾಗುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಬೇಗನೆ ಸುಸ್ತಾಗುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಏನೇ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, by doing a little work the person feels tired, means it is the symptom of depression. Or the person may lose his weight suddenly in a month or two, the sudden loss of weight. Or rarely there are some cases gaining weight, overeating and excessive weight gain is also symptom of depression. Or maybe a person is continuously irritable, not feeling comfortable, irritable for anything and everything. Or often anger outbursts happening. ಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಸಣ್ಣ ಪುಟ್ಟದಕ್ಕೂ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎ ಸಿಂಪ್ಟಮ್. Or ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೇ ಇದೆ, the person is doing everything good, but he has lost interest in simple terms of talks, joking on silly things, ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ತಮಾಷೆಯಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಮರ್ತು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಮರ್ತು ಹೋಗುವಂಥದ್ದು, ತಮಾಷೆನೂ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಕಾಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬರದೇ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಲೀಪ್. ಮೆನಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಲೀಪ್, we have heard, but only lack of sleep andre it's definitely it is not depression. Some other reasons may be there along with some other symptoms, this lack of sleep. Or middle insomnia, andre nidde bandirutte, midnight he will awake and later he can't sleep, or later after in the morning 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock again he will get sleep. This is also a depression symptom. Or the person has lost interest in anything, doing, dressing himself well, going out, lost interest in these things also. Or sometimes maybe the person breath, often he is getting shallow breath, bega usiradodu, fast breathing, andre usirata sannadagodu illa fast agodu. Or sometimes usru sikkaಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, difficulty in breathing, feeling lack of oxygen often. This is the major symptom of depression. And in anything a person can't find hope, good hope about his life, he is not having any hopes, or about the future, he is not finding any hope, or about the future of family or in society, everything someone is finding hopelessness, or someone is feeling very low, feeling that he or she, myself, is not worthy, feeling of worthlessness. All these indicators the person going into slipping into depression. Or some breakdowns, sudden breakdowns, all of a sudden feeling too low, or for any reason, for silly reasons, thinking of why I should live, let me die, these kind of feelings, suicidal thoughts. This is also symptom of depression. All these are about adults. I am talking about 18 or above. One more thing, a feeling of let go. ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡು, ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಂಗೆ ನನ್ನಿಂದ ಏನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. Not wanting to fight back for what he or she is deserved to. That's also slipping back to depression. But we can find these very easily in adults, in our family members or friends or relatives, whoever we come into close contact for half an hour also, you can find this. Sometimes not even half an hour interaction is required. Within 5-10 minutes, we can find out how they are talking. They will be talking in very pessimistic way, ನಿರಾಶಾವಾದಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಜೀವನದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಟಮ್. ಬಟ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್. Even an infant baby will have depression. Psychiatrists have found out, researchers have told that even an infant will be having depression. But how to find it out? We have seen some of the children, infants, will be crying whole day without sleeping or having breast milk and all. They will cry and cry and cry. But that time, the child needs only mother's attention, that's enough. But this crying continues for long run, months together, that is depression. But they don't need any other things, just mother's attention, parental attention is enough. Salpa doddavaradmele, after some 2-3 years, even then the child should go and play by itself. If not, the child is not going out and playing on its own, and it is clinging to the mother or any of the close member of the family, it is very much it will be feeling insecure. That kind of behavior is a symptom of mild depression in the child. Or maybe ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡವರಾದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಾದ್ರೆ they don't have interest in any leisure activities. School go maklu, they don't have any interest in leisure activities, just to do the duty what comes in mind. That's also done, carried away in dullness. Or they may be doing their important duties properly, but they have isolated themselves from family and their peer circle also. If there are some issues in the family, the children, a child may distance himself from the family. That's okay. But he maintains himself isolated, then it is to be taken care of. Or the child is not mingling with the peer circle. That's also important point to be noted. And sometimes kids, they have stopped bedwetting by 2-3 years, but again it starts. Bedwetting start aitu antandre, that is the result of depression. Or some children get horrible nightmares and they will get up suddenly crying, shouting, crying. They will get up and they can't sleep because of fear of this nightmare. They can't sleep again. It will take long time. Or if the school going children, suddenly they get falling grades, sudden fall of grades. Who is scoring even 60 score ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಮಗು ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ 30 to 40% ಗೆ ಡೌನ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, 10% ಡೌನ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, that is called symptom of depression. Or sometimes the kids saying himself very low, I am not good, I can't, I won't, this kind of sudden change of behaviors, doing like that. That's the symptom. And moreover, antisocial behaviors, stealing or cheating, lying, starts from the small things and then it grows. Antisocial behaviors. This also a depression. Otherwise, the child doesn't get into any antisocial behavior. So if any of the student or child is found out with antisocial behavior, immediate attention to be given. That is a serious symptom. If the child or an adolescent or maybe an adult has entered into depression, and people will say he has become lazy, he is not willing to take any responsibility, ಹೀಗೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವನು ಯಾವುದೇ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ, she won't do anything properly, she won't handle the responsibilities. No, it is not that they have become lazy, but the reason behind is these blues. And some people who are with strong mind, they will tell, hey, see, you should learn to control your thoughts, that's all, nothing else. You are acting very silly. No, it is not silly, actually it is the problem, issue. Or some people will go for horoscope, ಶನಿ ದೋಷ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್, ಮಾಟ ಮಂತ್ರಗಳು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು, these things. No, it is purely depression. If the person has these symptoms, whatever I have discussed earlier, it is not witchcraft or shani dosha or any problem in horoscope. It is to be addressed by the psychiatrist's help. ಆಮೇಲೆ one more thing, ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ medicines are addictive. Just like drugs or cigarette or alcohol, people become addictive to these depression medicines. No, that's not the truth. If they have some really necessity of the medicine for the long run, it is necessary. It is not addiction. But when the situation changes or when the person earns the ability to control himself in the brain, then medicine is not required. In some cases, if the medication is delayed, then it needs lifetime attention of help of medicines. And what are the factors that will lead to depression? How the depression will start? First thing, if the family has the history of depression. ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಲಿ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಕುಟುಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆವಾಗ ಇನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಟೂ ಕೈಂಡ್ಸ್, ಎಂಡೋಜೆನಸ್ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್. ಎರಡೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೆರಿಡಿಟರಿ ಆಗಿ ಬರೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಎಂಡೋಜೆನಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ರೈನ್, ನಾಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎನಿ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಕಾಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ, ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್, it is due to the circumstances or situations the person has come across in life made him to feel pain emotionally and physically, that lead to depression. adagiruntadu. So family history of depression ide antandre there are chances of getting into depression for the next generation too. And if the child, the person who has lived with the elders who is having severe depression in the long run, that too without good exposure, ಆವಾಗ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಬರೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬೇರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋಜರ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಸ್ಡ್ ಅಡಲ್ಟ್ ಜೊತೆನೆ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಡಾಲಸೆಂಟ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಫುಲ್ ಕಳೆದಿದ್ದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆರ್ ಇಫ್ ದ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಫರ್ಡ್ ಎ ಅಬ್ಯೂಸಿವ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡ್, or any financial or social extreme difficulties he or she has seen in the life, in childhood or in teenage or in adult life also, it will lead to the problem. And other things, rigid attitude, nan higene, I am like this only and no attitude, not flexible. Or sometimes some people cannot they express their feelings openly or easily to anybody, even to the parent or the spouse or any friend. They should express. If they are unable to express their feelings openly, then the suppressed feelings cause depression. Pessimistic attitude about life, ಏನಿದೆ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಏನು not able to see anything good in life, or not able to see anything good in society in general also, regarding politics or society, anything in general. This also lead to depression. Creative persons or sensitive persons, they get very emotional. They are very sensitive. This sensitivity also will lead a person then low tolerance. ತಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗದೇ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು, anything is not tolerated by the person easily, ಕಷ್ಟಪಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಅಂಥವಕ್ಕೆ. Or very high expectations in life. On I will lead this kind of life, I have to grow like this, but there may not be situations to grow like that what he or she has imagined, and then the person slip into depression. And sometimes any financial loss or a family conflict will lead to social withdrawal. If the person withdrawn himself from the society or relatives, then that isolation he or she himself imposed will take into the depression mode. And now some of the important other reasons: domination in the family or workplace continuously, which is unavoidable. They cannot, it creates stress. The stress will lead to depression. I will talk about stress and difference of stress and depression later. Or sexual abuse as a child or as an adult or at any age, or an abusive marriage will lead the spouse to depression. Alcoholism, another major reason, alcoholism. It damages the brain also, and it will make the person to slip into depression, or sometimes even the mild depression itself take him to alcoholic addiction, and then that mild depression will go into manic. In depression also, other two types. Either the depression may be continuously only feeling low and dull, or that is unique depression. Another, bipolar depression. Bipolar means one particular span of time, the person will feel highly energetic, active, I can achieve anything, that kind of feeling. That is manic. And again, after some time, for a particular span of time, feeling very low, I can't do anything, feeling very low. This is bipolar. Bipolar is also a depression only, but they have these two variations, one's high and another time low. Now we will see the difference between stress and depression. Stress, it is a condition where the person has to do some particular work under pressure, under high pressure. That is stress. But he is unable to fight against it, or he is unable to avoid it also. Then it creates lot of stress. ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಆಗ್ಲೇಬೇಕು, ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಂತ ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಲೆಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್. But if this situation continues in the long run, the person will slip into depression. ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಒತ್ತಡ, ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗದೇ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗದೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಆರ್ ಒತ್ತಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಇದು ಲಾಂಗ್ ರನ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆದಾಗ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್. Now depression symptoms, so identifying everything is over. Now let's see how to reduce the symptoms. How we can reduce the depression. How to reduce depression? Means one thing, first of all, maintaining a active, regular daily routine. Person should be active whole day. Maintaining it regularly, daily. Sleeping time, eating time, wake up time, everything done in a schedule, as planned. This will help. Then doing some physical exercise. Physical exercise gives lot of relaxation for the body and mind. So any kind of physical exercise is must. It gives energetic feeling. Then rationalizing. If the person is feeling low and depressed, make him think what will be the worst scenario in life if the same thing continues. Okay, then he will realize what to do. Rationalizing the things. Analyzing what is the worst scenario of life. Then needs psychotherapy or counseling or talking to a genuine friend who is good at listening. That will be also a lot of help. It will reduce depression. Then some relaxation techniques like deep breathing, pranayama, or any kind of relaxation, walking. These will help. Then these kind of depressed people will have many tasks pending. Their works will be pending. Completing the pending task will give them a satisfied feeling, fulfillment. So help completing any pending tasks. While doing the pending tasks, keeping short-term goal and long-term goal, making the goals, splitting the goals, short-term and long-term, and working on the goals. That helps. Then joining any support groups, the people who are optimistic in life, who will support, make connections with those people and join them. And one more thing, helping others. Whatever is a small help one can do to others will give a great satisfaction. But here the depressed person, while taking any work to help others, it should be noted that there should not be any responsibility on him or her. It should not be a must work. If he is willing and free to do that help, let him go and do the help. And one more thing, shaking off the blues, shaking off the gloom while waking up in the morning. Thinking, I am happy, I am good, like that. Avoid any overgeneralizations like, there is always hectic traffic, like this. People are always behaving like this only. These kind of pessimistic thinking, overgeneralization. Avoiding these kind of things is good. Then building relationship with any optimistic people, family, friends, or even strangers who come into familiarity newly. We can build relationship with them. And togetherness, feeling of togetherness gives a good feeling. Touch with the loved ones, family members or friends, touching, holding hand, or a pat on the back. All this gives good relaxations. If the person has nightmares, realizing the nightmare that this is only a nightmare, this is not happening in my real life, this is not a part of real life, this is just a nightmare. Telling himself or herself like that helps to reduce the symptoms. ಸೊ ಈ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಈಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂತು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದ್ರ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ 25 ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್. ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ 25, ಒಂದು 20 ಅರೌಂಡ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ, ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್. ಟೇಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಕೇರ್, ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಹೇಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 20, 15 or less than 50, excellent, good, no chances of getting into depression at all. So ಇವಾಗ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it is not a mental disease. Actually ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಏನು, ಬ್ರೈನ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇಂದ, ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ಸ್, ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಬರುವಂತದ್ದು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸತಿ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಇದಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ, ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಸಿವಿಯರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಏಕ್ ಆರ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮೈಗ್ರೇನ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್, ಒನ್ ಓವರ್ ದಿ ಅದರ್ ಬರುವಂತದ್ದು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಈ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರುವಂತದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಈ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ MBBS ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲಿಂಗ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್, ಇಫ್ ನೆಸಸರಿ ಸೈಕಾಲಜಿಸ್ಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್. ಸೈಕಾಲಜಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಮೊಡಾಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಥೆರಪೀಸ್, ಟಾಕ್ ಥೆರಪೀಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ನೆಸಸರಿ ಅದೇ ಈ 25 ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸ್ಕೋರಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಆವಾಗ ಸೈಕ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ಸ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಕ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ವಿದೌಟ್ ಹೆಸಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೀವರ್. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೀವರ್, ಹೌ ದ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೀವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್, ದ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಒಂದೇ ವಾರ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಸಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಕೂಡ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ಆಂಟಿಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಸಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? ಸೇಮ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಈ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ನಾವೇ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ನಮ್ಮ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಷಾಯಗಳು ಅದು ಇದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಂತದ್ದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲಿಂಗ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಂಟಿಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಂತದ್ದು, ವಾಸಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಂಟಿಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫೈನಲ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಗೆ ಸೈಕ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಂತದ್ದು. ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಥೆರಪೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಥೆರಪೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟಾಕ್ ಥೆರಪೀಸ್, ಕೆಲವರು ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೆಲವರು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಥೆರಪಿ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ಈವನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಥೆರಪಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ ದ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಟು ಮೀಟ್ ಸೈಕಿಯಾಟ್ರಿಸ್ಟ್. Psychiatrist is MBBS and psychology specialization. They will give proper medicines. Those medicines should be taken properly as it is prescribed by the doctor. Otherwise, ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ವಾಸಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ರಿಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. If you stop the medication in the middle, it will relapse, but in the more serious form. So, I request all the people who are here in the meeting, test yourself, find yourself where you are. If necessary, go to a counselor. You can approach me or any others. Or if you find your scoring is high, more than 20 or 25, then immediately find a psychiatrist and approach them. Take the help without any hesitation. Just as a headache or a cold and fever, this depression also. ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರೆ ಆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಲಿತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸಸ್, ಬ್ರೀದಿಂಗ್ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸೇಷನ್ಸ್, ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಲಿತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದೆನ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್. ಸೊ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಓವರ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು. ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಎ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಲಿಸನಿಂಗ್ ಟಿಲ್ ನೌ.